Hi Pooja. Hello everybody.
Hi, Moon.
Hi. Hi Vera. Can we have your video on please?
Hello everyone.
Hi. Welcome. Hi Devika. Moto ji, just waiting for you to join your video please. Okay, so yeah. Hi. Can you rename can you just rename yourself? What's your name? I'll just put it here. Welcome.
You can write Sumit.
Sumit. Okay, welcome Sumit. Okay, hi everybody. So I invite you all to this circle. We are exploring what is immunity, and I'm just gonna start sharing the screen with you. It's visible now. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
Yes.
So we just gonna start with something that really I'm talking a lot in English because we have mixed audiences, and so yeah, I'm just trying to be mindful of that. But if I do slip in Punjabi, Hindi, just please ask, Hana, Vera, anyone. Nishant, you're okay with English? Okay. Everybody's
Yeah, I am okay.
okay. Okay. So immunity is usually understood as a resistance to disease, and we try to avoid getting any fever, anything, and we are always trying to see that we have high immunity, means we won't get any disease or any cold and cough, right? Don't know why today it's asking me to admit people. So anyway, that's why it's kind of probably Zoom. So welcome Deshna. Hi. So we are just asking this question. What do you all think? Is it resistance to disease, or is it what is immunity, or is it a response to disease? I invite you all to just unmute and share. So usually what happens when we are saying that I caught fever and I caught viral, and but others in the house did not get it, right? So it's kind of resistance. We are saying that others have and I don't have, something like that. Shashi? Yeah, Aarti. So if we are asking this question that it is resistance to all disease, then let's go deeper into what is resistance. Yeah. So when you can tolerate eating at a marriage function, Pooja, like, eating at friends' houses because everybody there is having samosa, and when your stomach doesn't get upset, then is that immunity? Tolerating overeating or not eating enough? What do you all think?
I think immunity is a response of my system to any kind of attack from any kind, germs, viruses, bacteria. It's a response.
So if this response happens quickly, does that mean there is a lot of immunity or lower immunity?
I think it means, for me, it means like my system is alert enough to actually respond quickly.
Anyone else? More ideas?
आई थिंक आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही है
ओके जी, गुड गुड गुड। एक्चुअली साथ में डिस्टरबेंस भी चलती है, सो आई वाज जस्ट माइंडफुल ऑफ दैट। सो taking the cue from Pooja, what she said, that it's a response, right? And the faster the response, better it is. So it's about our alertness and also our what you can call in a way, I would say, in life, no system is static system. So anything, I would ask just a question. Have you heard of a person who has never fallen in his life? I mean, as a kid, when we learn to walk, we all fall, right? And have you seen any person, without exception, who has never fallen sick in his life, never had an injury, never was happy or never was sad? So I'm just indicating that life is a very dynamic system and it balances itself in that thing. I mean, it's a dynamic system, it's homeostasis, and whenever there is some issue and it is able to respond to that thing, then it is considered that it is good for the system. So in a way, I would say, last point, that maybe what we mean by immunity is actually vitality. So,
Right.
So it's a misnomer to call it immunity. And in fact, the word immunity comes from two words: immune, immunist. That means it's exempt from public service, that I don't have to work, kind of. So nothing happen in life like that, you are totally totally immune. Yeah. So that will be dead, it won't be life. So that is the last thing. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else? Let's have some ideas. Hi, Swati.
Hi. Yeah.
So the
और इसमें मून एक और चीज ऐड करूंगी जो मुझे फील हो रही है, मुझे नहीं मालूम कितना सही है ये, आप बताइए। जैसे रिस्पॉन्स अलग अलग तरीके का हो सकता है, कि किसी का मतलब जरूरी नहीं कि एक ही जैसे सिम्टम्स आएंगे सबके, तो बहुत ही फर्क किस्म का हो सकता है रिस्पॉन्स।
Pooja is saying that it can be different types of responses, like immunity can be different for different people. Yeah.
Right. Very true.
So the question we are all exploring together is that if resistance is immunity, then watching late night TV, not sleeping enough, not having enough fresh, food, fruits and vegetables, having a lot of alcohol, having that capacity, people say that alcohol capacity, mine is more than now what I could hold, earlier. So like basically the number of coffee cups or tea cups, Niru, that I now need as an adult, Devika, is more than what I needed when I was 20. So they are like, wow, my capacity has increased. So is that immunity, like that we are trying to understand? We are saying immunity is resistance. We started with the hypothesis, and Pooja and Rajesh added that immunity is vitality and immunity is actually the alertness of the body. Yeah. So you're opening this further. Vera, can I invite you to switch on your video, please, darling? Thank you. And we are,
Sorry, I have lots of distraction on the background, so it may be not nice for everyone. So
no, we love seeing a lot of distraction and household stuff going on. Don't worry, especially kids. It just invites us all into a circle together. It's very nice to be with our videos on, you know, honoring the one off is just my mobile because I'm just trying to keep track of admitting everybody in. So going back to our understanding of what is immunity. So what is a response? If we are saying it's the alertness of the body, Swati,
Yeah.
you can.
Yeah, it's dulling of body's reactions to common household toxins and some common responses of the body. So this is what we think is the response, like by the body, or this is what we think is immunity, right?
So let's have a discussion. What are the common responses? There's some kind of pain. Devika, share some how your body responds to outside stimulus. Huh?
Yeah.
Response, well, if I have, I'm diabetic, and yes, what do you call, if I have too much sugar or this thing, I break out in a boil, or there's something. So that's, I don't know if that's really immunity or resistance or this thing, but that's my body response to something which is wrong in my body.
Right.
So there's boils. What else can we? What else are the responses like your body gives you?
A cold, a cough. That's not immunity. That's that's what you're getting out of doing the things, or getting a virus, or getting something which is your body is trying to resist.
Yeah. So we are saying it's either resistance or response. So we are trying to understand immunity. So let's open it up. What are the various responses our body gives to us? For example, boils, you said, and then pain is one. What else happens? क्या होता है कि बॉडी आपको अपनी तरफ खींचती है कि यार पे अटेंशन, समथिंग्स नॉट राइट? शशि?
Fever.
Fever.
Like sometimes we have something, कुछ भी हम ऐसा खा लेते हैं जो बॉडी को नहीं चाहिए, गैस्ट्रिक बन रही है, एसिडिटी हो गई है, या फिर हमारे टमी एक हो रहा है, और कई बार होल बॉडी इज पेन। तो वो है कि कुछ हमने ऐसा खा लिया है जो बॉडी को जरूरत नहीं है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
एंड दैट इंडिकेशन है इस चीज का कि दैट इज नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर योर बॉडी। Yeah, you should change your habit. You should change your food, or body needs something else what you are giving to her. So that is the indication. Responses ही हैं बॉडी के ना सारे। ये आपको नहीं चाहिए तो आप डाल ही जा रहे हो। तो वो बोल रही है फिर भी हम नहीं सुन रहे हैं, फिर वो डिजीज आगे से आगे बढ़ेगी, वो कम तो नहीं होगी। तो जैसे अभी कई बार क्या होता है कि हेडेक हो रहा है तो कोई कहता है चाय ले लो, हेडेक ठीक हो जाएगा, बट क्या वो जरूरी है कि चाय से ही हेडेक ठीक होगा? क्या हमने रीजन को जाना है कि क्यों हेडेक हो रहा है? तो एक बना हुआ है, और मे बी कभी कभी होता भी है कि आपने चाय ले ली, 1 cup of tea and your headache had gone. तो
Yes.
अब ये सारी चीजें क्या है, अब मे बी कुछ आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे मुझे भी इनके।
मेरे को भी
Yes.
मिलेंगे और हम सबको मिलेंगे, बट डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चंस उठाना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। इजंट इट रियली अमेजिंग कि चाय पी के हेडेक ठीक हो जाता है?
Because your
और
body is used to it, or craving that particular, like
And-
that particular thing that is like a cup of tea. It's got certain things that, like cup of coffee or tea, you feel good about it. So it's that feel good factor you're craving.
Hmm.
Hmm.
But मतलब लेट्स से कि वो चाय का कप है, 1 कप है, अगर वो अच्छी चीज है तो आई कैन हैव 10 cups also, क्योंकि आई कैन हैव 10 mangoes also if I'm hungry. But
Yeah.
10 cups of tea we cannot digest, na? So is it a good thing? Do we think it is a good thing? But having more of it creates like relief from headache. This is a very interesting thing, no?
Yeah, Moon, it
Can I
works
say
from-
something?
Yes, Neeru.
हाँ जी. What I am thinking is जैसे cough और cold हो जाता है. So that is the basically I feel with my body, I feel that is the cleansing process started. So there is something कुछ irritant अंदर चला गया है through the body and through the mind also. So that is the way my body wants to clean it. तो उसका clean करने का जो तरीका है वो through cold या through cough हो जाता है. और sometimes that अगर या पेट में कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है, so then I know कि मेरे को I have to look into that कि mentally कहाँ पे disturbance आई है और किस वजह से हुई है. खाने का भी there is a both body and mind both are connected. तो 80% तो खाने से होता है, बाकी जो 20% है उसमें mind is also very important part, जो हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे thought process भी हमें वो करता है. तो उसकी तरफ भी देखना बहुत जरूरी है कि हम क्या थॉट्स अंदर डाल रहे हैं विदाउट रियलाइजिंग, उससे भी हमारा जो इम्बैलेंस है बॉडी में आ रहा है. तो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स, ये डिजीज नहीं है. और उनको जैसे चाय जैसे है, जैसे चाय क्या है उसका हर चीज का जैसे मेडिसिन इज लाइक हम दिन में जैसे 3 बारी खानी है उसको हिसाब से डोज के साथ खाना. तो चाय इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ मेडिसिन ओनली. वी कांट ड्रिंक 20 और 20 मैंगोज भी खाएंगे तो पेट खराब हो जाएगा. सो दैट वी हैव टू बैलेंस द थिंग्स के क्या मेरी बॉडी और हमारी बॉडी टेल्स अस कि हमको क्या चाहिए, हम नहीं सुनते हैं तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो दैट इज माय टेक. और एक पॉइंट और बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे चाय पीते हैं या कोई और अच्छी, तो वो प्लेसिबो जैसे हो जाता है ना कि मीठी चीज मतलब ये चीज खाने से मेरे को अच्छा हो जाता है, तो वो दिमाग में बैठा हुआ तो फिर मैं उसके ऊपर ज्यादा जोर देती हूँ कि ये वाला चीज मैं कर लूंगी या मैं ऐसे ये खा लूंगी ऐसे कर लूंगी तो आई विल बी फाइन. पर वो शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए है, इट्स नॉट अ परमानेंट सोल्यूशन.
So, if there is something that we are saying is craving हो रही है हमें, और उसको हम लेके हम ठीक हो रहे हैं, I just want to make that little distinction कि ये चीज थोड़ा नोट करना कि ये आगे भी आएगी एक बारी, that some kind of stimulant is helping us in a way, है ना, or we are doing more of it, especially जब headache is already triggered by not having tea or having too much tea, है ना. So if we go further into
responses, Moon, I was just going to share that in October, if you remember, I had the rashes all over my body. And I had spoken to you also about it. And I was actually quite scared at that moment. Ki ye kya ho gaya? But I suppose because of all that natural healing practice and something was trying to come out of the body. I mean, my whole body was red within, within few hours. So that was one kind of response.
Thank you. So if we start seeing the pattern between resistance, what happens? This is something we are just sharing with you, and let's invite a discussion. Toxic habits. What are toxic habits? So Neeru says कि 3 cup chai is दवाई है ना. तो like that my dada used to say एक पटियाला peg तो रोज पीना है तो दवाई है. My chacha, my fuffar, अभी I don't know because they are getting more and more into health, but my dada till he was 94 and till he actually admitted in the hospital, he was having that one peg every day. He's like, look, nothing's happening to me. This is helping me, in fact. So like that, what do you guys think? What are toxic habits?
Smoking cigarettes.
But some people say that it gives them a sense of, you know, life, like relaxation, and kayon ko to bowel
But
movement.
it's killing your lungs. That there's a same way of like taking too much alcohol. Your dada might have taken one patiala peg, but there are people having a bottle a day. Is that healthy?
No, even I'm just discussing what are toxic habits.
Yeah.
So toxic habit, जैसे मैंने पहले share किया, I said 10 mangoes. Even I mean 20 mangoes. What I meant was like 5 mangoes. But 5 cups of tea एक बारी में नहीं पी सकते हैं या है ना? Just trying to compare the two. So alcohol, so anything, let's just discuss what are toxic habits. मैंने तो लिख दिया है, but I'm just trying to see के do we all agree कि too much sugar is a toxin, or tobacco, coffee, tea, alcohol, overthinking जैसे नीरू ने कहा. So the idea we are trying to get to is what is immunity, है ना? तो अगर हमारी body tolerate कर रही है toxins को, is that immunity? If we can take a lot of alcohol, people boast about it. Okay, now my capacity is I can take much more than before. So is that immunity?
No. Immunity is your ability to fight disease.
Exactly. Ability to fight disease. तो बोलते हैं, हम बोलते हैं resistance है ना, एक तरह की fight भी हो और आए भी ना बीमारी. Isn't that what you say?
Yeah.
तो फिर जो पूजा had, Geeta, you are good. It'll be nice. I invite you to switch on your video. Are you good with Hindi? You're good, है ना? Everybody is good with Hindi.
I am fine, Munstar, with Hindi as well.
So, yeah.
Okay, so I was just thinking, I think we discussed it many weeks before also. Was the case of our adaptability, right? So it's the same question, whether adaptability is good. So we talked at that time, then that there is one thing in the body, and that is its capability, and the other thing is copability, right? It copes with certain changes in the system, right? But slowly and slowly, if you keep on repeating the thing and bombarding it with something which is in excess, very high excess of its limit, then the system may collapse. We also talked of one experiment. They'd say how it was about the frog in the water, right? If you put a frog in the water which is very warm, it just jumps out of the water, right? Because it's a shock to the system. But if you put the frog in the water and it is nice water, it's just lukewarm water, then it stays. It doesn't come out of the water. And if you slowly start increasing its temperature, it doesn't. It starts adjusting itself to the water temperature, and slowly over a period of time, maybe 10 minutes. So when the water is almost, boiling, then it just doesn't know itself. It doesn't. Then it has lost the capacity to come out of that water. So I was thinking in that sense, even adaptability, I will question how much adaptation should be there, right, within the body. Even people used to say that, oh, even we Indians are used to so much filth and all that, and we are so much resistant, we are so much immune. I will question that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Anyone else wants to add? So what we are coming to is that the ability to cope, the ability to keep changing our capacity, है ना? कि पहले मेरे को 1 दारू की बोतल चाहिए थी, now I need 3 to get the same intoxication level, right? So is this like immunity, or is this, or like I don't need I don't other people get sleeplessness with 1 cup of coffee. मेरे को 3 भी पिला दो, कुछ नहीं होता है. And कई लोग तो कहते हैं कॉफी पी के सो जाते हैं. Their senses are so beyond वो जो stimulation है. So I was inviting all of us, me and Swati were thinking of how we can put this across, that what you are saying, Rajesh, is कि जो frog है, it will jump out of boiling water, but it will not jump out when you slowly raise the level. जैसे कि global warming, जैसे कि COVID, या जैसे कि pollution, जैसे कि relationship issues slowly develop होते हैं, है ना? And then you keep staying in those unhealthy situations, keep coping, right, Devika? So the filth also around, like gandagi mein bhi log, they keep coping, बढ़ता रहता है, the ones who live in colonies, because body can cope with anything. Even in Africa, when the first milk, artificial milk जो बच्चों को पिलाते हैं, it was introduced, what is it called? जो ये बच्चों को देते होते हैं मिल्क पाउडर मिक्स करके,
infant formula.
हाँ, फॉर्मूला जब पहली बार अफ्रीका पहुंचा तो दे सेड पानी मिलाना है. अब वहां पे पानी उनका पडल्स में, इट वाज फुल ऑफ filth, right? They had less water supply, so they were mixing that and giving to their kids, you know. And so वो formula की वजह से, या जो भी वो उसके अंदर वो they were mixing that water, it led to a lot of deaths. But the some over a period of time the body starts coping, but the lowered cleaning is it leads to tiredness. जब आप continuously you are bringing more and more toxins in the body and वो निकाल नहीं पा रही है body, तो वो work कर रही है harder. So it leads to a sense of overworking and tiredness, right? And it cannot throw out the same. You indigestion, Shashi, उस time नहीं होगा जब आप रोज हर हफ्ते में 2 बार खा लेते हो. कहते हैं ना, बाहर खाना चाहिए, नहीं तो बॉडी को आदत नहीं रहती है. तो हफ्ते में 2-3 बार जाके मोमोज खा के आ जाओ तो वो इंडाइजेशन नहीं होगा. क्यों? बिकॉज टॉलरेशन लेवल बढ़ गया बॉडी का. बट इज दिस इम्यूनिटी? Now what leads to toleration level means more toxins are there now retained. क्योंकि बच्चों को क्या होता है, एकदम खांसी जुकाम, एकदम they have vomiting, diarrhea. So their toleration level is low. But is that lowered immunity? So toleration जब हम बढ़ जाता है ना माइंड में भी, नीरू, when you have more of that कि चलो पड़ा हुआ है कचरा अंदर, बॉडी में पड़ा हुआ है, what happens to the body? It keeps working over time because उसको तो पता है ना कि यहाँ ये वाला मैं खाली करना है, इतना कूड़ा है, right? So the liver is working, the kidney is working over time. And then what happens? What happens in a tired body? What are the functions the body does beyond immunity? क्या क्या है? There's breathing, there's circulation, there's nutrition absorption, movement. सारा कुछ slow हो जाता है. Have you noticed this in yourself? When you are tired, everything is slow, mind is slow. And slowly, body becomes even more, in a way, dirty. And so now that point, headache wala, chai wala. Swati? We were all discussing that chai leke headache दूर हो जाता है ना. So जिसको कॉफी चाहिए वो कॉफी लेके हेडेक दूर हो जाता है, जिसको रसमलाई चाहिए उसकी रसमलाई लेके, जिसको पटियाला पेग चाहिए वो लेके दूर हो जाता है. So what is the reason? So in this understanding, if we start looking at the body actually starts craving that stimulation more, जब उसके अंदर there's a backlog of cleaning to happen. So overstimulation की आदत पड़ जाती है when high toxins are there. So now you don't need just 1 cup, you need 3 cups. Now it's just not 1 movie, you have to watch 3 movies before sleeping. ना stimulation, एक news से क्या होता है, मतलब एक news article, let me get more, and then because you are already tired, you need more to stimulate yourself, ना? Tired भी नहीं, what's the word, like tired and thakan, right?
Can you also call it dullness? That's how we need all the more kind of stimulation.
Yeah. Yeah. So dull. Yeah.
In fact,
mind goes on hyper mode. You say.
Mind goes on hyper mode, है ना? So it needs more stimulation, right? Welcome, Shweta. So mind needs more stimulation.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
I think Pooja wasn't there at that time. We were discussing something 2 weeks, 3 weeks back. What was that? In fact, I am also forgotten what was the point I wanted to connect. I think, it was like that. Again, I'm going. So I'll pick up.
Overstimulated. You are overstimulated. Live example.
I'll pick it up within 1 minute. Okay, now I remember. I remember. that in fact it is body's response. It is body's response to protect yourself. Suppose you are having some stimulant, right? And body knows what effect it is having, right? Because there is a some chemical which is being released, and there is some chemical which is being received. I mean, at the point where it says that now this much is this much high I will give you, right? So when there is constant overstimulation, body knows that the system will go, I mean, it will go kaput. I mean, it will just run away. Usko runaway system bolte hain. It will collapse. So it slows down the response of the stimulation itself, right? So that is, in fact, what is Pooja referring to as dullness. Slowing down of your response, right? It becomes a kind, so it affects all of your systems. So everything of your system may slow down then. So you will have some problem reacting, responding to some challenge. Thank you.
तो ये drugetics का, yeah, go ahead, yeah.
Yeah,
Geeta?
to me it appears like most of us, over the period of time, our senses, like we have 5 senses, right? So over the period of time, our senses are not working to the best of its capacity. So because of that reason, we are not getting proper input to our brain. Like it's not giving the right input to decide whether it's, you know, good for our body or not. So because of that, like whatever we are observing as a disease or, you know, so that's the consequence of that. It's basically about our senses, which is, you know, giving the input. That's what I feel.
Thanks, Geeta. Hi, Swati, welcome back. So you are muted. So
Just the internet connectivity went off.
no worries.
Yeah.
So Swati, we were just discussing very interesting topic about this only, about overstimulation, है ना? Why we need more and more of the same thing. So and while you were gone, Rajesh just said that the body as a self-protection mode itself slows down the response from the same stimulant so
Very
that you take less of it, right?
Very true.
And Geeta added her understanding that because in age, as we increase in age, which we are all doing, our senses slow down, she's saying. And that is why we have lowered response to stimulants. Yeah, Geeta, that's what you're saying?
Exactly, yeah.
What is your input, Swati, in this, our resident expert on senses?
What I would say is like the major reason why the body stops responding with age is not that our senses are getting weaker. The reason behind it is that more toxins inside your body is occupying more of your vitality. And that's the reason why your body doesn't have enough vitality left to keep responding for new inputs, to respond for new wrong inputs. So that is why we feel that our senses are also have dumbed down, but it's not that actually. The senses can be equally good and strong all through your life if you don't accumulate too many toxins in your journey of life.
Right, right. But like, you know, if our senses were working perfectly fine, then we would have been in the position to discriminate what is right for our own body. So this is a, you know, long process, like it cannot be started right now. But yeah, once, yeah.
But the dumbing down of our senses had started in our mother's womb.
Yeah,
so,
true,
so it is
true.
not something that we could do something about to begin with. But yes, with age, with more knowledge, with more awareness, we can still go back to it, right? To go back to getting better at our health, or getting, trying to release more, free more of our vitality for better
senses.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good hope for us.
So let me give an example of what we are trying to go into, Swati and all of us, Swati and me. What we are trying to go into is, let's say the brain. Okay, we'll start with the most important organ in the body. Okay, so let's say you didn't sleep properly for 1 week. As a mother, you know that, Geeta, what happens, right? Sleeplessness sets in when you're not able to sleep properly. Plus, there is a sense of drunkenness, right? What is happening is your body could not sleep because of fatigue and you needed it. Let's say it is because of any reason, even overstimulation, like watching too much, anything. Now the brain needs rest, but आपने सुना होगा, सबने सुना होगा, अब नींद नहीं आती, नींद चाहिए, नींद नहीं आती. That's what is insomnia. So what is that? It is the body's lymph drainage system of the brain, which is called the glymphatic system. It only functions at night. Because the glymphatic system could not function, the body could not drain ये extra जो हमारा है brain का भी, and also body का lymph, I'm sorry, is actually the gutter system of our body. It's the drainage system of our body, like blood is the nutrition incoming, right? So because we didn't get the sleep, we got this buildup, है ना, कूड़ा कचरा, and now we are not able to sleep because, as we said, the senses need overstimulation now. Now they have become so dumbed down, dulled down, because body is only doing it to protect itself. But what we very much need is rest, but we cannot. So it's a vicious cycle. It's not because of age. Sorry, that's the main thing that I'm trying to say. Swati is trying to say, people who are in their 60s, 70s, they are saying we are in our prime. They're crossing the English Channel. The only lady, she's 65 and she did it. Right? And at the age of 75, someone is climbing the Mount Everest. So it would not be that because of senses are dulling down due to age. Due to age, disease does not happen. It's because of buildup of toxins due to habits.
Right.
And this is what, if we are saying in our, when our body is not anymore, like we are calling what is resistance, Hana, to the same toxins. Like we need now more TV, more social media, more exercise to get the same high. Hana? So
I think, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, I think the role of our mind, our thoughts in dumbing down upon the senses is not being adequately, addressed, right? If you take the example of animal world, right? We are also actually animals, right? We have our biology. We were staying in jungles, right? At that time, all our senses were to the peak of our ability, because in jungle you can't have even one sense missing. You will be down in a day. So that was the case. But now we have moved to so-called civilization. We have come to the cities, and we say that we think that our senses are the height. The efficiency of our senses is not required that way. So we start picking up, as per our choice, one or two senses, and which we give heed to properly. And so, like in our case, mostly it's our visual sense and all that, and people in IT industry and all that, and they are not even moving, they're just walking, and so our other senses go down, right? So I would just point out this, that it's our choice also, the way we start living in the cities and all that, and then yeah. Thank you.
Now we can't all move to the jungle and the forest and the village. So let us just look
People
for.
are doing it already. It's our
Huh?
choice ultimately. People are already doing it. It's ultimately our choice. So we don't choose to move. That's our choice.
It's our choice. Yeah.
It's about sensitivity, and sensitivity is also come from
Well, there are a
the
lot of healthy
word
people living
senses.
in cities like Okinawa and the Hunza tribe. You've heard of all of this thing where they're living till 120. So you can be not in a city, but you can be in,
That tribe is not in a city, as far as I remember.
yeah, not in a city, but yeah, you can live.
Yeah, people can. And as far from what I have read, the human, the people could actually live up to 300 years.
Okay.
There was a time, and 80 years would be your prime. You would be, that would be what you would be in your teenage.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the way we are eating, the cooked food that we've been eating for thousands of years now. Yeah. So the cooked food.
Yeah.
We've been eating for thousands of years now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the result is what we are today. The age span that we see now, that is the result of what we have started, like eating cooked food and all the wrong inputs that we have got ourselves into.
Yeah.
So the Hunjas are living
There
for
was
120,
okay, sorry.
and there are 3 tribes they have identified all over the world today who are still having a good lifespan and who are still comparatively very healthy, and they are more plant-based. That's one of the reasons, but still even they are living only up to 120, and that could the reason for that is what I understand is the changes in the environment.
Okay.
Though they are living in a very healthy environment, but still there's a lot of influence from outside, which is actually bringing down their lifespans also a bit. Yeah.
When I was referring to the jungle, it was basically the spirit of the jungle. I mean, connecting with nature as such, and not living in just a
Connecting with
virtual
nature
world.
is-
Yeah. So even in fact, the calling of tribes, in fact, there were tribes, or there are maybe tribes. They were able to look at the rings of the Saturn with the naked eye, right?
Wow.
So slowly and slowly we have lost that ability by just ignoring some senses and just yeah. Thank you.
I would like to add to it, like the senses that we are using a lot, they are kind of getting, desensitized. So
Pooja,
that's how we need all the more kind of.
Pooja, you can take the microphone slightly away. It's very loud.
Sorry, I'm not okay.
Our senses of hearing were suddenly exposed to a very loud.
So could you hear to what I was saying?
Say again.
I was saying that the senses that we are using too much, we are getting kind of desensitized. Those senses are kind of desensitized. So all the more kind of visuals we need to kind of stimulate us and provoke us. And there are few senses, tactile and other senses, which are not used, underused. So taste sense is overused, visual is overused, and tactile is completely left out, and we are not actually using much of it.
Let us take one sense and explore it further. Which sense would you like to explore?
Feeling of touch.
Okay, let's explore the sense of touch. How can we desensitize ourselves with this sense and increase our immunity? Any experiences? Sanjeev.
Can I say something more here?
Shweta.
Hi. Hello, everybody. The feeling of a mother and a child. when a mother holds the child in in her arms, and the child is crying, and he or she stops crying because the caress of the mother is so soothing, and it just calms the baby down. So that is the feeling of touch, which is between a mother and a child, which I think if all of us have gone through, all of us were babies once, and we all had our mothers and fathers, and when we were hurt, and when they would lift us up in their arms and they would caress us and kiss us and hug us, we would feel better.
You. So how can we add this in our lives, this healing touch? यहाँ पे तो social distancing हो गई है. The time we needed the most, Geeta, Devika, to hold each other. Niru, Sanjeev, why, this thing, we are not. Maybe this is causing more COVID to spread because our immunity is so low because we can't touch each other.
Yeah, hugging is a very important part of, feeling wanted and this thing, whatever you might say. It's very comforting.
So even in COVID, one touch jo apni life which we can introduce. Anything, any ideas?
We can do ourselves to this. Na?
Oh, so let's do this.
In Punjabi, we call it Jappi.
Jappi. Hello, let's do it, guys.
With smiling face, we can do this. And just press your chest. जैसे छोटे बच्चे को कैसे प्यार करते हैं, how we क्या वो बोले थे ना अभी के how we love the children जब we were small हमारे parents used to do. That's the same way we can do to ourselves, and we can change our arms and we can do it to others.
So let's all do this once, guys. Imagine you are hugging someone you love or yourself.
We can do like this also.
Ah. So fake it till you make it types. Okay, guys, one group photo. Let's all do a hug.
It's not coming on my...
Not coming?
No, it's just that, like, I can't hug and this thing. I'll have to put the camera.
1, 2, 3. Sanjeev, ready? A hug. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. Pooja and Sanjeev, why aren't you doing? Okay, chalo. I got you nodding. Okay, so what else can we do that we really feel the touch?
Yeah, I would like to say just one thing, that physically touching is very important. I am not denying it, but accepting oneself, that I am bad, I am good, I do a lot of mistakes, I do very good things, whatever it is, I am comfortable with myself. I am not fighting with myself. I am not complaining against myself. I think that is real hug, which I can give to myself.
Being in touch with yourself is more of a hug to yourself. Very rightly expressed. Right.
And anyone has tried being in touch bare feet on grass or water, or with our hands, tree or soil?
Yeah, I always do. Wherever, if I am there and there is soil or grass, so I always touch it. And if there is a tree, I always touch it.
It comes so naturally to us. Everybody wants to do it. When they see a beautiful lawn or a water body, people want to remove their shoes and touch the water. Right? Yeah.
So how can we explore the other sense? So this was the sense of touch. What about the sense of, because sense of touch has been overstimulated, we are saying, right? So how we can explore the healing. So what about the sense of taste? How can we go towards the healing of that? Because mostly our toxins are coming from the mouth. Cigarette, alcohol, tea, coffee, sugar, fried food.
Yeah, actually, I think the conditioning of tongue is the real challenge, because the most of the thing which we enjoy or we claim that we are enjoying are actually not tasty. Either it is alcohol or something else. It's not actually tasty. But and even spicy food, if you really see it, it's not tasty at all. But we find it tasty because our tongue is trained to eat like that. So discovering real taste, I think it's also a very important thing for us.
आपने एक बार शुगर की भी बात की थी कि बच्चों को जाता है शुगर का टेस्ट स्टार्ट।
हाँ बिल्कुल, बच्चे को कोई शुगर की कोई क्रेविंग नहीं होती, और जो मदर मिल्क होता है वो उसमें स्वीट और सॉल्ट दोनों होता है,
Very true.
लेकिन वो आर्टिफिशियली डेवलप हो जाती है जब कुछ देर, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा वो किक की तरह काम करती है। व्हेन शुगर टच योर टंग इट जस्ट गोज इनटू योर होल एग्जिस्टेंस, क्योंकि वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग उसका किक होता है, तो वो उसके फिर हम बहुत जल्दी हैबिचुअल हो जाते हैं।
So again, we are talking of how through habitual usage we become more and more हमें ज़्यादा चाहिए वही. So notice the trend how senses get dulled down, है ना? Over the years is overuse of something which is not natural, not healing for us. So
sorry.
So the 300 years long wali is really catching my thing, because I've also read that the heart's real life is like 100 and something years, and the kidneys, and that we are packed with double, triple of what we need, है ना? कि 2 kidneys हैं, 2 eyes and 2 ears and 2 lungs, and always an extra, like collateral, like extra is there in the body. So one fails, the other is there. Liver, the whole liver can fail 90%, still the body will recover from that 10%. So let's go deeper into this, like how can we live longer and with more high immunity? Any pointers, Swati, that you can share from your experience of helping so many people heal naturally in your center in Tamil Nadu?
So what you need to understand is, like, every single human being is born with a certain amount of vitality. Let's compare it with a battery, the mobile battery. तो हर किसी को जब उनके माँ बाप मतलब माँ के पेट में जब एक बच्चे का conception होता है, whenever a child is conceived, that is when the amount of battery life or pran is determined for that child. So that the amount of pran shakti everybody is born with is a little bit different for everybody, because the inputs have been from 2 different human beings. Okay, so the pran shakti is a little for everybody. It doesn't have to be 100 years, it doesn't have to be 80 years, it can be different. ठीक है, तो जो भी प्राण शक्ति मुझे मिली है when I was born, we call it as vitality in English. तो whatever vitality I'm having, मैं उसे किस तरह से खर्च कर रही हूँ will determine my longevity. ठीक है, जैसे मोबाइल के अंदर हम बहुत सारे एप्स एक साथ खोल के रख रहे हैं और एक साथ यूज कर रहे हैं, तो द मोबाइल्स बैटरी लाइफ विल बी ड्रेन्ड फास्ट. तो आज के जमाने में हम जिस तरह से जी रहे हैं, जिस तरह से खा रहे हैं, पी रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं, उठ रहे हैं, बैठ रहे हैं, जिस तरह से हमारे सेंसेस को ओवर यूज कर रहे हैं, वी आर एक्चुअली ड्रेनिंग आउट आवर बैटरीज फास्ट. द वे वी ईट इज नॉट टू लेंथन आवर लाइफ. The way we are eating today is actually shortening our life, क्योंकि more of our vitality is being used in processing that food. ठीक है ना? So if you want to bring like अपने जीवन को और लंबा करना चाहते हो अगर, तो अपनी vitality को conserve कीजिए, unnecessarily squander मत कीजिए, unnecessarily don't spend it unnecessarily, use it only where you need to. And we will call that as conservation of vitality. अपनी vitality को सही तरीके से spend कीजिए, and that will help you live a bit longer and better. Okay, so what do you think? Anybody has any inputs on that or any questions?
How do you do that?
How do you do that? Simple,
very basic question.
Yeah, basic steps and experiences of healing in your center, maybe to add, like diabetes, for example, obesity or thyroid, like please share such simple steps for these kind of and everything.
Yeah. So what we do is like when people come here, we just introduce them to a changed lifestyle. क्योंकि हमारी lifestyle जो है वो आज सही नहीं है. The way we are living, it's not the right way. So हम 100% तो we can't go back, but we can do that to a certain extent. ठीक है? So we introduce people to a lifestyle change and a diet change, so that हम जिस तरह से जी रहे हैं, we get more in touch with nature. हम ज्यादा सूरज की किरण लें, हम ज्यादा फ्रेश एयर ब्रीथ करें, हम ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन को हमारी लाइफ में इंट्रोड्यूस करें, हम ज्यादा जमीन से कांटेक्ट में आए, है ना? तो अपने जो पंच महाभूत है, मिट्टी, पानी, धूप, हवा, इनसे हम ज्यादा डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में आए, so that our vitality is more conserved. It is not spent unnecessarily in unnecessary activities like watching television or using your mobile all through the day or getting into gossip. Like ये सारे जो inputs हैं, गलत inputs, उससे हमारी vitality unnecessarily spend हो रही है. उनसे दूर होकर आप प्रकृति से connect हो जाइए, तो आपको cosmic energies मिलती रहेंगी, जिससे आपका body unnecessarily अपने vitality को squander नहीं करेगा, वो conserve हुआ रहेगा. And eat the right foods which nature has provided for you, like species specific food. जो species specific हमारे लिए जो सही food है, वो ज्यादा खाइए, जिससे कि हमारे शरीर को बहुत ज्यादा उसके लिए energy नहीं spend करना पड़े, उसे process करने में, उसे metabolize करने में. तो इस तरह से we have saved our vitality, we have saved our energy, and we are using it properly for better purpose, है ना? तो इस तरह से just by doing these, bringing in these changes in life, हमारे center पे we have helped people to heal diabetes, cancer, you just name it, and yes, we've met such people and we've helped them to overcome arthritis, autoimmune diseases, whatever.
So in effect, अगर हम कहें, these are all different names of the same
actually
cause or the disease. It is one, and that disease is the dulling of the senses or over accumulation of toxins in the body, right? Because of, again, the vicious circle, overstimulation. शुरुआत तो toxin से ही होगी, या हमने जो we are born with maybe a low reserve, low, let's say, bank balance from our ancestors due to their own habits, maybe, no? So species specific food क्या होता है हमारे लिए? I mean, how do we know that our species has that food only?
It's a very good thing to actually learn कि हमारा actual original food क्या है, हम ये कैसे जान सकते हैं? Do you all have this question in your mind कि हमें कैसा पता चले कि हमारा खाना क्या है?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
we won't know.
Don't know what to know. Tell us, Swati. Tell us.
Or what do you want to say? What do you want to say, or shall I take
Everybody
it?
needs to know. Okay. If
Okay.
nobody, if everybody doesn't say, then Swati doesn't say. Okay. Okay. Sanjeev,
नहीं, हम
Devika.
कह रहे हैं.
ये संजीव लाइक मेरे को सब पता है, मुझे नहीं कुछ जानना, मैं ऐसे ही साइन इन कर जाता होता हूँ देखने के लिए क्या है. एन एक्सपर्ट. पूजा's like मैंने सुना हुआ है, वो ही बोल रही है.
I've been there, I've seen it, I've known it. That's all right.
Gita's like, I don't want to hear. I know you're gonna say stop non-veg. I don't want to hear that.
No, I'm not a non-veg pro. I love vegetarian food, so Swati can say.
ठीक है, तो अब आप सोचिए, just let's imagine कि हम अभी एक किसी आइलैंड पर हैं, जहां पर कोई घर नहीं है, जहां पर कोई किचन नहीं है, ठीक है, सिर्फ प्रकृति है चारों तरफ, ठीक है. तो हम जब वहां ठहर रहे होंगे तो वक्त के साथ हमें भूख लगेगी, ठीक है. तो आप जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए कि जब आपको भूख लग रही है तो आप क्या खाना चाहोगे ऑन एन आइलैंड?
फ्रूट जो मिला,
Fruits and veg, I mean anything which are roots and the same with that raw food.
Coconut, pineapple,
avocado.
Good. Very nice answer. Very nice answer.
papaya.
Very good. But is there anybody who eats meat here?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So now you tell me, if you did not answer the question, like what would you eat when you're on an island?
And I wouldn't know how to, in the first place, kill an animal. So I don't.
No, you would.
But
Nishant,
everything else.
right? So Nishant, can you tell me, like, would you like think about eating meat? Would it come to your mind? You're muted. You're muted.
I don't eat meat.
Oh, then I thought you raised your hand. Okay,
No,
fine.
no, that's why on the eyes.
Acha. Okay. So just take this by chance कोई एक meat eater हुआ है ना तो वो अगर
Devika is there, and I think Geeta, you also है ना?
right ठीक है तो जो भी कोई मीट ईटर होंगे अगर वो एक आइलैंड पर हैं और अगर उनके सामने अगर एक hen आ गया अगर आपके सामने एक hen आ गया तो do you think you would want to eat it?
No, I
I
don't.
think a fish would be a better option if it's on the island.
If it is the last option,
Okay.
then
So
I can
you
go
think
for
if you
it.
look at a fish, you would want to eat it.
I wouldn't mind eating it, yeah.
Wouldn't mind. So would you just eat it as it is in its original form कि भाई पानी में से उठाया और चबा लिया?
Well, if there's no kitchen and if there's no fire or nothing, you can eat raw fish. Raw fish is the easiest thing to eat.
Okay. So that would stimulate your senses, that would attract your senses is what you say.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And this is because of your conditioning actually.
Yeah.
तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि हमारा species specific food कैसे है हम कैसे जानेंगे तो when you're walking on an island, what will happen is there'll be like your senses will be your guides. आपके senses आपको guide करेंगे कि आपका real food क्या है. तो सबसे पहले तो दूर में आपको कोई चीज दिखेगी जैसे फ्रूट दिख गया हरे हरे पत्तियों के बीच में जब एक पीला सा आम दिखेगा मुझे है ना तो दैट विल अट्रैक्ट माय आई राइट सो आई जस्ट मूव टुवर्ड्स इट तो जब मैं उसे प्लग करूंगी द टच वुड बी सॉफ्टर इट वुड फील कि हाँ दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई कैन ईट ठीक है तो जैसे ही मैं नजदीक ला रही हूँ मेरे नाक में उसकी जब खुशबू जाती है तो दैट स्मेल्स अट्रैक्टिव ठीक है और जैसे मैंने उसकी खुशबू ली तो मेरे मुंह से पानी छूटेगा I'll salivate because naturally my body wants to eat that because it can recognize the body can recognize कि this is my food ठीक है तो I will salivate and that is when I'll put it into my mouth और जैसे मैंने खाया मेरा जीभ पर जब उसका स्वाद लगेगा तो मुझे बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट लगेगा ठीक है तो जो भी चीज मैं इस तरह से खा सकती हूँ आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती हूँ और जिसे मुझे खाने के लिए मुझे न तो उसे किसी उसके अंदर कोई न तो नमक डालना पड़े न तो मिर्च मसाला डालना पड़े न तो उसे पकाना पड़े है ना कि उसके ओरिजिनल नेचुरल प्योर फॉर्म में इफ आई कैन कंज्यूम इट देन दैट इज माय स्पीशीज स्पेसिफिक फूड every species of animal is identifying its food like that by its own senses that is why a lion doesn't ever eat fruits and the cow doesn't ever eat meat because they are unke senses abhi bhi sahi chal rahe hain they are able to identify not the cows sorry the domesticated cows are not actually eating the right foods yes but the animals and birds in nature who haven't been yet जिनके सेंसेस को ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन की वजह से चेंज नहीं किया गया हो they can identify what their original food is with the help of their own senses ठीक है we are the only creatures on this earth who have been so badly deviated कि हमारे सेंसेस ही सही कनेक्टेड नहीं है हमारा इतना मिसकनेक्शन है कि हमें जो स्पाइसी फूड है जो इतना अल्टर्ड फूड है वो हमें ज्यादा बेहतर लग रहा है जिसमें काफी सारे मसाले डले हैं तेल डला है तो जितना ही उसे हमें चेंज किया है उतना ही हमें वो ज्यादा स्वादिष्ट लग रहा है क्योंकि बचपन से वही खाया है सो दैट इज हाउ वी हैव रीट्रेन्ड आवर सेंसेस otherwise if we hadn't done that we would have been more attracted towards the right foods like the fruits because sense हमारे पांचों senses उसी तरफ हमें direct करते okay so was that answer satisfactory for anybody
yeah
have any doubts
Sumit has a question. What about eggs?
हाँ, egg भी आपको like just because your mom or somebody introduced you to egg from childhood, you eat it and you like it. But if you just look at an egg, अगर एक बच्चे के सामने आप अंडे को रख दो, तो instinctively वो उसे उठाकर नहीं खाएगा. So that is not my food. that is not my species specific food, because I wouldn't want to just lift it and eat it just like that, because ना तो उसमें ऐसी खुशबू आ रही है जिससे मैं salivate कर रही हूँ, ना तो आंखों से देखने में मैं उसे stimulate हो रही हूँ. Just because you have been eating it for years now, you have memories which is directing you towards it. Otherwise, you wouldn't want to. ठीक है? Any other question?
But in this day and age, I wanted to ask you that, like, if fruit is our only, but there is so much pesticide and so much in the fruit that we are having now, that it becomes very difficult to to keep only on a fruit diet.
Very good question. बहुत ही बढ़िया सवाल है ये. मैं आपको इसको भी थोड़ा अच्छे से समझा सकती हूँ कि जब हम कुक्ड फूड खा रहे हैं या नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड खा रहे हैं या कुछ भी खा रहे हैं, तो जैसे ही हम उसे खा रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर जो पेस्टिसाइड्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स की मात्रा है वो कहीं ज्यादा मात्रा के अंदर है व्हेन कंपेयर टू फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. ठीक है? एंड फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स जैसे ही आप वॉश कर दोगे तो वो मात्रा दोबारा थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी, और जो इनके अंदर इंजेक्ट करे हुए हैं वो तो मैं धो के नहीं कम कर सकती हूँ, बट स्टिल एज दिस इज माय स्पीशीज स्पेसिफिक फूड, मुझे उसे शायद थोड़े ज्यादा लंबे वक्त के लिए खाना पड़ेगा टू गेट द मोस्ट बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. अगर वो ऑर्गेनिक होता तो शायद कम में ही मेरा हेल्थ इंप्रूव ज्यादा जल्दी हो जाता, और उसके अंदर जो मात्रा ऑफ केमिकल्स आती है वो बहुत कम मात्रा होती है जो हमारा बॉडी इजीली रिसाइकल कर देता है, क्योंकि lots of our vitality has been conserved by not eating the rest of the unhealthy foods or non foods. तो वो conserved vitality जो है वो इस केमिकल को भी जल्दी से बाहर निकाल पाती है, क्योंकि हम जो प्रोसेस्ड फूड खाते हैं, पैकेज फूड खाते हैं, उसमें जितना केमिकल्स आ रहा है, इतने केमिकल इनपुट्स आर देयर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेज कि इतना हमारा बॉडी रिसाइकल नहीं कर पाता, तो वो डिफरेंट स्पॉट्स में, स्पेसेस में वो जाके फंस जाता है, और वो वक्त के साथ मैनिफेस्ट होता है इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ डिफरेंट इरिटेशंस और डिसीजेस. ठीक है ना? तो फ्रूट्स के थ्रू जितना भी आएगा, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एज डैमेजिंग इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेनली स्ट्रिक टू योर स्पीशीज स्पेसिफिक फूड. है ना?
Okay, thank you. That's a nice.
You're welcome. Yeah.
So to add to this, it's beautiful that Swati said something very amazing, जो उसने briefly touch किया कि अगर organic होगा तो we will eat less of it because the nutrition is high. So, you know, I have some friends, I have to yet do it. Geeta and me, we had joined a farming group, so we have that common connection. And there's something called Amrit Mitti. You all must have somehow heard it. It's like a process of making mitti, Shashi, with over 6 months, and the mitti is so potent. This was developed by Deepak Sachdev. Basically any food grown in this, and you keep adding this. Amrit Mitti is a mitti which has been fed all the biomass it needs to be able to then give the nutrients to the food that is grown in it. So even organic without strong soil preparation is useless. The soil will only get what मतलब जो हमारा crops है will only get जो हमने soil में डाला है, right? So building the soil, just like we are building
very important, equally important. As important, yeah, it's as important as what we are going to put into ourselves. It's equally important because that's where our food is going to come from.
And so the soil and body are in a way one. The stronger the soil, the plants don't need pesticides. The stronger the body, you don't need medicines, and your immunity, as now we were saying, that the body will remove the toxins of pesticides also बहुत जल्दी. तो ये एक पॉइंट है, इसको हम और खोलते हैं, खुलासा करते हैं कि जो हमारा the actual process of removal, what is that? What is high immunity? What are the ways the body shows that it has high immunity? Like, let's just everybody can just guess and then we'll go deeper into it. How do you know, Geeta, that you have high immunity? Pooja, Shashi, Nishan, Shweta.
बॉडी आई थिंक रिएक्ट करेगी, तो वैसे सिग्नल कर देगी जो भी उसके अंदर अगर कोई रॉन्ग मिल जाता है तो बॉडी के लिए नहीं बना।
Sorry, it was not clear. You're mute, Swati. How do we know? So, okay, so let's just go into it. So, Swati was saying that the toxins, जो pesticides हैं हमारे fruits के ऊपर भी, body will be able to remove it with high vitality if it has conserved, है ना? How do we know that our body has high vitality or high immunity? Is it with a clean blood test report?
I think if I have to say, like with some general signs, like you don't get tired soon, end of the day you are still, fresh, and you're able to do, a lot of things which you want to do, then you are still strong. And suppose say in your family, if many of you are sick and still you are not sick, like flu, like 3 people in your house is down with flu and you are not down with it. So this is also one sign that you're still having high immunity. So these are a couple of things, I suppose.
Thank you. Anyone else
एक
want to add?
हाँ, एक डाउट आता है मेरे माइंड में, मतलब कि जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, मतलब जो बाहर से लोग गए तो वहाँ पे जो आदिवासी थे वो जैसे उनके कांटेक्ट में आए तो वो अपना जी रहे थे अच्छे से, लेकिन नॉर्मल जो इधर का जो हेल्दी पर्सन था वो जैसे ही कांटेक्ट में उनके आया तो वो मतलब डेडली हो गया उनके लिए, दूसरे लोगों के लिए जो वहाँ पे नेचर के साथ और उन सब के साथ रह रहे थे काफी टाइम से। तो
Yeah.
इम्यूनिटी।
Okay. Any more sharing? तो इम्यूनिटी का साइन क्या है?
That your the ability to fight disease and the ability to
How do you measure it? मतलब
how do you measure it
how do you see? What are the signs that you see? ये
in a
तो
person?
खोला ना कि resistance to disease, ये सब हमने खोला है ना?
Yeah.
So what are we going into things you can see in others in your body कि you know कि ये high immunity का sign है.
Again, I just just one thing I want to again share. So, in the course of our dialogue, at one point we came to this point that actually we mean vitality, and maybe immunity may not be the right word to use. And yeah, the way we started, it's okay because everywhere it is being used, the word. But in our this discussion, we have come to this point that maybe vitality would be the right word. So it may confuse. I mean, it's my thinking, right? I mean, others may have a different take. So just wanted to be sure about that what we actually mean by.
हाँ, तो हम अपनी new understanding के साथ we are still exploring immunity, right? Because we understand now that immunity is not just resistance to diseases, right? It is also our response to and our alertness to anything जो हमारे आसपास हो रहा है, right? So that can be a flu, as Geeta said. It can be even within our body, something is happening and it's the alertness, so let's explore what are the signs that you have a low immunity. Then we'll explore what are the signs you have a high immunity. So low immunity to sab bahut easily, I'm sure. Neeru, Sumit, Shashi.
तो जब भी लो इम्यूनिटी होगी तो काम नहीं हो पाएगा, मतलब टायर्डनेस आएगी। और जब हाई इम्यूनिटी है तो काम भी अच्छे से हो जाएगा और बॉडी विल आल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड प्रॉपर्ली और यू फील वेरी एक्टिव एंड चीयरफुल आल्सो। दैट इज माय फीलिंग कि अच्छे वो होएगा। और मतलब आप वो, इट डजंट मैटर आपकी एज क्या है, कुछ है, वो इट वो थोड़ा फर्क पड़ता है पर ज्यादा नहीं है। बट देन यू हैव दैट फीलिंग कि मेरे भी इम्यूनिटी, जब इम्यूनिटी ठीक होती है तो एवरीथिंग यू कैन डू प्रॉपरली, क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट आएगा। फिजिकली कुछ हो नहीं होगा, अगर कुछ बाय चांस कुछ फ्लू हो गया, कुछ हो गया, तो उसको ठीक होने में भी टाइम ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा और उसको कोप करने का भी जो सिस्टम है या कोप करने का जो भी तरीका है, तो इट विल बी इजियर।
ओके, बाय चांस फ्लू हो गया, इसको नोट में
बाय चांस हो गया तो देन कोई वरी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, इट विल रिकवर और रिकूप वेरी फास्ट।
ओके, थैंक यू। मोर शशि?
स्टार
हमारी बॉडी
है कि यू हैव,
सॉरी निशांत, शशि शेयरिंग। हाँ,
आप में स्ट्रेंथ है, आपको मतलब माइंड अलर्ट है बिल्कुल, हर एक चीज के लिए यू आर देयर, कुछ भी करने के लिए यू आर देयर एंड यू कैन डू दैट। तो उसमें है कि जैसे लास्ट ईयर हम गए, लास्ट ईयर पूरी फैमिली गई वैष्णो, तो आई सॉ दैट टाइम मेरी इम्यूनिटी सबसे कम थी क्योंकि सबके सब फट से ऊपर चढ़ गए और मेरा तो सांस फूल गया। तो मुझे था कि मुझे तो काम करना है अपनी बॉडी पे, बहुत ही वीक है। और दूसरा है कि जैसे अगर फ्लू की बात हो रही है तो घर में कुछ होता है तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे जल्दी पकड़ता है फ्लू क्योंकि इम्यूनिटी मेरी लो है, रेजिस्टेंस उतनी नहीं है, तो मेरा खान पान हेल्दी नहीं है। जैसे अभी बात हो रही है कि जो हमें खाना चाहिए, तो मैंने लास्ट 2 मंथ से शुरू किया है कि स्प्राउट मॉर्निंग में लेना है। बट मून उससे क्या होता है कि इतनी एसिडिटी होती है मुझे उसको खाने से, और अभी क्या होना शुरू हुआ है कि उससे मुझे ना जैसे जलन हो रही है, टम्मी जैसे लगता है ना कि बहुत फायर, जैसे कभी कभी ऐसी लगती है अंदर की पेट में जैसे आग जलती है। तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं वैसे रिसर्च देख भी रही थी कि क्यों है ये, क्यों हो रहा है। बट जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे थे कि सिर्फ फ्रूट पे रहना या रॉ वेजिटेबल पे रहना या रॉ थिंग्स जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं, बट जो आज की हमारी रूटीन है, हमारी लाइफ है, उसमें जैसे मैं अपनी बात कहूँ तो ऑलवेज फ्रूट पे रहना मेरे लिए मुश्किल है कि मैं 24 घंटे फ्रूट ही खाऊं या रॉ वेजिटेबल खाऊं, या क्योंकि हैबिट एक बनी हुई है, उसको छोड़ना शायद अभी के लिए हो सकता है महीने 2 महीने में चेंज हो जाए, पर अभी का जो मैं प्रेजेंटली जो अभी सिनेरियो है कि उसमें आप नहीं छोड़ सकते, एक टाइम तो आपको खाना चाहिए। तो उसमें ये कैसे वो खाना कैसा हो हमारा, क्योंकि अभी नीड है, तो उसमें अगर कुछ सजेशन
Yeah, let's suggest that from personal experience, how easy or difficult it is to have more raw, है ना? So yeah, लास्ट हीलिंग सर्कल में काफी लोग आए थे जिन्होंने डायबिटीज, काफी साल बच्चा नहीं हुआ उन्होंने, तो थायराइड, काफी कुछ अपना हील हुआ उनका थ्रू ब्लड प्रेशर, थ्रू रॉ। So it was very inspiring. So, but here there are many healing stories within us also. In this circle, we are still there. But actually, कुछ हम लोग हैं, हम कर रहे हैं already. कुछ हम नए हैं जो अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं. तो जो नए हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा difficult है. तो just sharing how to start having more raw, in our food easily. And acidity and gas burning ये क्यों होती है और इसको कैसे? So over to you, Swati.
Yeah. So what you can do is like जैसे आपने बताया शशि जी कि आप शुरुआत सुबह की कर रहे हो with a sprout, right? तो हम लोग क्या कहते हैं कि रात भर हमारे पेट को हमने रेस्ट दिया था, रात भर हमने पेट को कोई खाना नहीं दिया था, तो एक 12-13 घंटे के बाद हम पहली बार जब कुछ खाने जा रहे हैं, तो अगर वो जूसी सीजनल फ्रूट अगर हुआ तो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग, है ना? तो क्योंकि वो सबसे हल्का है अपने शरीर के ऊपर, अपने पेट के ऊपर बहुत ही हल्का है, उसे डाइजेस्ट करने में अपने बॉडी को ज़्यादा एनर्जी नहीं स्पेंड करनी पड़ रही और इमीडिएटली एसिमिलेट कर लेता है उसके विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स और शुगर्स को, तो इमीडिएटली अ बॉडी इज रेडी फॉर एनी वर्क इन द डे। स्प्राउट जो है वो अगेन दालें हैं, तो दालों को हजम करने में शरीर को वक्त लगता है और उसे मतलब स्प्राउट करके भी खा रहे हो, लेकिन उसे अगर इवनिंग के लिए छोड़ दो, अपने सैलड्स के लिए के साथ खा लो, तो इट्स बेटर। And it's not supposed to be eaten in large quantities also. It is only supposed to be eaten in a small quantity. है ना? तो सुबह की शुरुआत इस तरह से करें। और जैसे हमें फ्रूट्स की ज्यादा आदत डालनी है, अगर हमें हमारे राइट फूड की हमें धीरे धीरे हमें रिट्रेन करना है अगर हमें हमारे टेस्ट बड्स को, तो एज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप यू कैन डू कि सुबह के हिस्से में लाइक फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल 1 PM डोंट ईट एनीथिंग कुक्ड एट ऑल। जब भी भूख लगे फ्रूट्स खा लीजिए या कोई जूस पी लीजिए, ठीक है ना? तो इस तरह से क्या होगा कि कुछ समय के लिए आप अपने शरीर को सही वाला खाना दे रहे रहोगे, तो धीरे धीरे आपको उसकी आदत होने लगेगी। एंड फिर लंच में आप ज़्यादा सब्जी और कम अनाज वाला खाना खा लीजिए, जो कि हो सके तो वीगन हो तो बेस्ट है, और तेल नहीं हो तो और भी बढ़िया। और शाम के समय भी सूर्यास्त से पहले वापस इसी तरह का एक और मील ले लीजिए। तो यू कैन स्टार्ट लाइक दिस, सो दिस विल नॉट बी टू ड्रास्टिक ऑन यू। धीरे धीरे आप इस तरह से ट्रांसिशन कर सकते हो कि विद टाइम यू कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द लंच टुवर्ड्स मोर ऑफ रॉ, और जैसे उसकी भी आदत हो जाए यू कैन अगेन चेंज योर इवनिंग मील ऑल्सो। और जहाँ तक हो सके इफ यू कैन डू इट, इट्स बेटर टू ईट आफ्टर द सन राइजेस एंड बिफोर द सन सेट्स, क्योंकि हमारा जो शारीरिक साइकिल है वो सूरज के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है। Yeah, so the digestive system is better when the sun is out there, and when the sun has gone to rest, the body also would like to go into rest. ठीक है ना?
I can add something. Thank you, Swati. It's beautiful that the body is full of memory. हम सिर्फ मेमोरी में खा रहे हैं, जैसे स्वाति ने कहा हजारों सालों से खा रहे हैं कुक्ड, बट सैकड़ों सालों से हम अनकुक्ड खा रहे थे, बट मेमोरी रिसेंट वाली है कुक्ड की। बट अगर हम अपनी लाइफ में भी देखें, वी गो टू सम प्लेस, कुछ हम स्टेशनरी शॉप गए हैं, वो स्टेशनरी शॉप के साथ एक सोया चाप की शॉप भी थी, जहाँ एक बारी कभी या छोले भटूरे या पापड़ी चाट, तो यू कभी एक बार लाइफ में 10 साल पहले 20 साल पहले यू हैड समथिंग देयर, द मेमोरी गेट्स ट्रिगर्ड। यू डोंट नीड इट, you don't crave it before reaching that place, but suddenly you want it because of the memory. या वो दोस्त मिले तो यार एक चाय का कप हो जाए यार, वो वाले दोस्त, वो वाली शाम, उसके नाम, है ना? Why memory? So just हम practice कर रहे हैं. It's not easy. I'm still trying, to have more raw. That I'm doing till the morning, but I'm trying to do full day and continuous, even as an immunity booster during COVID. My colleagues, Swati and all other healthcare workers are doing 21-day raw as an immunity booster, and Waki, they are working on the front line. She is there on the front line. My other colleagues are there. Unko nahi ho rahe hain. And even Rajesh and others in our community, even I had COVID-like symptoms. Within one night, it was gone. Just I went on raw, ek din Rajvaya. I think Rajesh had it for 1 or 2 days. Very quickly they go, these symptoms, as we were saying that a quick, not that ko aapko hoye na, but a very coming out of it. And even cough and cold is actually higher immunity, ke body is able to do its job. Imagine a body that's dead, that will stop taking out mucus, na? Mucus is a problem. अगर निकालना ही नहीं कोशिश नहीं कर रही बॉडी, दैट मीन्स अंदर रहेगा. एंड देन लाइक दैट केस जहाँ पे वो आजकल स्टमक रिडक्शन की सर्जरीज होती हैं टू रिड्यूस वेट, एंड देन दे सी के ओ सो मच म्यूकस इन द बॉडी बिकॉज बॉडी इज नॉट रिमूविंग इट पीरियोडिकली. So memory, checking the memory, and also one thing, as Swati said, ke morning you have, wait till you are hungry. Do some exercise in the morning. When you're hungry, you will go for the sweetest thing. एक आम या एक वाटरमेलन को एक पराठे या स्प्राउट्स के आगे रख के देखो, you'll always go for the ya watermelon.
Just one thing I want to add. मेरे को लगा बेचारी बॉडी के ऊपर बहुत इल्जाम लग गए थोड़े से कि वो अपनी अपनी मेमोरी की वजह से वो कुछ गड़बड़ कर बैठती है बेचारी. तो आई एम जस्ट वेरी क्लियरली एंड कैटेगोरिकली सेइंग, yes आई एम सेइंग दिस बॉडी की मेमोरी नहीं है. ये बॉडी की जो मेमोरी है दैट्स ओनली प्रोसीजरल मेमोरी, राइट. मैं एक बार वो लर्न करता हूँ साइकिल चलाना, मैं नहीं भूलता. वो एक सेकंड हैंड एक मैकेनिकल वे में हो जाता है. मैं एक सीखता हूँ, क्या बोलते, स्विमिंग करना सीखता हूँ, और फिर मैं दोबारा उसको बेशक 20 साल बाद भी करूँ, आई एम एबल टू स्विम. दैट मेमोरी बॉडी की है, प्रोसीजरल मेमोरी. लेकिन ये मैं वो मोमो खाए थे या वो खाए थे, वो बॉडी कोई बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली आई एम कैटेगरिकली सेइंग, बॉडी ये डिमांड नहीं करती कि मेरे को मोमो खिलाओ. वो मेरे माइंड की डिमांड है. I mean, so senses are being controlled by our minds. So senses बिचारी.
So saying that only,
I
mind is
understand.
communicate,
Yes.
and suddenly body में कोई craving नहीं है.
Yes. बॉडी में कोई क्रेविंग नहीं है. बॉडी की बेशक उसके अपने अपने देह से भी हर एक सेंसेस का अपना एक सेंटर भी है ना, वो पर उसका अपना एक रोल है. वो उसको उसकी एफिशिएंसी को कितना बढ़ा के रखता है. बट हमारा माइंड है वो सेंसेस को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. मेरे को ये सेंसेस अच्छी है, मेरे को ये सेंसेस ये नहीं चाहिए. सो आई रिमेम्बरिंग इज बाय द माइंड, एंड देन दे से कि वो मेरे को मजा आया था, वो हाई मिला था, सो लेट्स यूज दैट सेंस.
Is mind different from the body?
No. So in that sense, yes. In some sense,
Where is the mind in the body? Where is the mind?
So ये बहुत अच्छी बात हो जाएगी. हम इसको अगर नेक्स्ट सेशन के लिए रख लें, so I love, everybody will love.
So shall we wrap up for today? So eating when you're hungry and reaching, one more thing for the mind memory trigger, कि जब हम भूख लगे कि raw खाएंगे, whether it's a खीरा or गाजर or pumpkin or carrot or mango, our body becomes, इसकी एक memory हो जाती है, like it becomes a data bank, because there's some nutrition we got from raw food, which in cooked food we can't absorb so quickly. It takes more vitality and time. So yes, if we build this memory of mind body through eating when we are very hungry, then also it's easier to have raw foods. But इतना वेट भी मत करना कि फिर बस झोले भटूरे चाहिए और परांठे चाहिए, because you are too hungry. फिर तो बंदा भी खा जाओगे. Don't wait so much.
मून, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूं. और इसमें जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो आई वाज डिलेइंग माय meal by half an hour and adding one fruit to it. So I kept on adding one fruit and delaying the meal time by another half an hour. So gradually I, kind of removed my breakfast and then the lunch gradually. So that was very easy for my body to accept.
Awesome.
So that's very helpful.
That's a very good experience. Very good.
What about grains?
Sorry?
Greens.
Grains कुछ हम बता देंगे. नहीं, I'm joking.
आप अनाज बता रहे हो?
I'm joking. Go ahead. I'm saying सब कुछ आज ही पूछना है, अगला
नहीं, आप समझते हैं. It's okay.
I'm joking. Go ahead, sorry. Go ahead.
अनाज के बारे में पूछ रहे हो आप, grains, right?
Yeah.
So are grains are food or not? Again, let's go on to the island again to find out whether grains
Yes,
are
I love islands. Heat growing on them that I can't smell, I cannot taste it, and I cannot.
Yeah. So अगर आप
and the prickly touch of it. Okay, you go ahead and do the meditation.
तो खेत दिख रहे हैं आपको बहुत लंबे चौड़े, है ना? तो खेत में जो बालियां हैं गेहूं के, चावल के, उन्हें देखकर आपके सेंसेस स्टिमुलेट होते हैं क्या?
No, it
आप
looks good.
होते हो
Yeah.
क्या? हाँ?
कभी
No,
कभी
it
तोड़
doesn't-
के खाते हैं।
I'm talking about now. I've been eating a lot of millets, which
ठीक है,
are
ठीक है, तो अब वैसे वैसे उसके ओरिजिनल रूप में देखकर आप अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहे हो, फाइन,
नहीं,
ठीक
no.
है। अब मैं बाजार से मैं जब चावल गेहूं खरीद के लाती हूँ तब भी आई डोंट salivate when I look at them.
No.
I need process them. मुझे उन्हें या तो कुक करना पड़ेगा या तो पीसना पड़ेगा, और फिर भी इसके बावजूद मैं वैसे ही उसको नहीं खा पा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई नीड सम accompaniment.
Yeah.
तो साथ में मुझे उसके दाल चाहिए, सब्जी चाहिए, राइट? सो देयर इज सो मच ऑफ प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्ड टू मेक इट ईटेबल फॉर मी. वो मेरे लिए खाने लायक हो जाए, उसके लिए मुझे उसमें काफी सारे प्रोसेसेस ऐड करने पड़ रहे हैं, काफी सारी चीजें ऐड करनी पड़ रही हैं.
Swati, your voice is breaking up.
My voice is breaking. Okay.
No, it's
Can you
clear.
hear me better?
Yeah, it's clear
now.
Your voice is not clear, Swati.
You
it's
you
clear.
have low network, I think.
ठीक है, तो
नहीं,
इससे आप समझ सकते हो कि ये हमारा खाना नहीं है. आप जब देखोगे कि बर्ड्स बहुत ही ऊंचाई पर उड़ रहे होंगे, लेकिन वो वहां से भी उनके खेतों के अंदर जो बालियां हैं वो दिख जाती हैं, वो नीचे आती हैं और वो बालियों को अपने बीक से तोड़कर वो ग्रेन खा लेती हैं. सो इट इज मोर ऑफ बर्ड फूड दैन ह्यूमन फूड.
Okay.
बर्ड फूड मतलब द बर्ड्स हैव अ सर्टेन sort of a grinding thing in its neck, जिससे वो उस अनाज को पीस कर डाइजेस्ट कर पाती है. सो इट हैज एन इक्विपमेंट फिक्स्ड इन इट्स बॉडी व्हिच कैन हेल्प इट टू डाइजेस्ट द ग्रेन्स एज इट इज, है ना, जैसा है उसी रूप में, है ना.
उसी रूप, हाँ.
हम ये चीज नहीं कर सकते, है ना, लेकिन ठीक है, हमारी मेमोरीज हैं, हमारे सेल्युलर मेमोरीज हैं कि हम हजारों वर्षों से ये चीज खाते आ रहे हैं. तो यू डोंट नीड टू गिव अप 100% ऑन इट एकदम से, ठीक है ना, धीरे धीरे मिनिमाइज कर सकते हो and try to create better memories or new memories or healthier memories and reduce the old memories. Yeah, and whatever works for you, just try to bring that sort of a lifestyle into your अपने routine में ऐसी routine ले आइए जो आपके लिए work करती हो. There are people who eat 20% grains and 80% raw, है ना, या कई लोग हफ्ते में एक मील खा लेते हैं, बाकी पूरे हफ्ते रॉ खा लेते हैं. So whatever is working for anybody, like मेरे लिए मैं कितना किस लेवल तक कर पाती हूँ जिसमें मुझे आनंद मिलता है, क्योंकि you don't need to be tortured all through your life, है ना, आखिर you need to be happy. The ultimate thing is like you need to be happy with whatever you're doing. So do it that way कि जो भी find your comfort level and go ahead with that.
Thank you.
है ना, welcome. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, shall we close for today?
Yes.
So let's have a short circle from everybody. So we'll start with Neeru. So just your name and how you're feeling right now, and where you're from. Sorry. Thank you.
My name is Neeru. I'm from Bombay and I'm feeling very happy, and I want to say thank you to Prashada and to Swati to reconnect me to this thing. So in 1996, I started doing this vegan thing, and I did for 2 years religiously. Then still I am starting my day with fruits most of the time. So now I am really feeling happy and honored to be in this circle. So I can restart the thing, and I put on 3 kg weight in last year. So I know where I have gone wrong. Thanks for letting me rediscover my eating habits. Thank you so much, and thank you. You have a very nice smile, Swati.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right. So who's next? Yeah. So
Okay.
Shashi, you would like to?
I'm
Shashi, you
Devika.
would like to share?
I'm Devika from Chandigarh, and I really enjoyed being in the healing circle. It's been a really revelation. Everybody has given me a lot of ideas and confidence, and I'm on the path. I'm already eating raw vegetables raw fruits up to 12 o'clock, and I'll slowly do more and try and get off my meat-eating ways. Thank you very much, Prashada and Swati.
I'm Geeta. I'm from Mohali, Punjab. And as far as the raw food,
Manipur.
okay. I'm basically from Manipur. So as far as the nature is concerned, I think I had ample of it as a child, but now I'm not in touch with that beautiful nature anymore. I'm in Punjab. I think it's beautiful. Let's see how I can explore. Like right now, I prefer to go, out with my son, who is like now 3.5 years old, every morning, which is wonderful for me. Like I can stay active. Moreover, raw food is concerned, I have many doubts which I can explore in the next session. I feel like which foods are considered to be raw apart from the cucumber, carrot, and the fruits. I don't know which can be considered as a raw. So that we can explore maybe in the next session today. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I'm enjoying the sharing. This is a new knowledge which I'm getting out of this session with all of you. So I'm happy today actually. Yeah, thank you, Swati and Munstar and all of you for sharing.
Hello, my name is Shashi. I live in Chandigarh, but I am from Himachal. तो काफी टाइम हो गया मुझे चंडीगढ़ रहते हुए, तो कोशिश करती हूँ मैं बहुत कि नेचुरल डाइट पे आऊँ, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स पे, बट समहाउ कहीं कहीं गैप हो जाता है, बट दिस सर्कल विल हेल्प मी टू कम ऑन माय पाथ. मून स्टार एंड स्वाति जी ने बहुत क्लियरली बहुत अच्छी चीजें आज जो बताई हैं. मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि इन पे अमल कर सकूं, थोड़ा अपनी लाइफ में और इनको लेके आऊं. फैमिली को तो नहीं बोल सकती, बट अपने ऊपर काम करूंगी तो मे बी दे विल आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स.
You always start with yourself. You
Yeah.
always start with yourself and set an example. That's enough. Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you Swati and Moonstar and everybody. Yeah.
मेरा नाम निशांत है. मैं अमरोहा यूपी से बिलोंग करता हूँ और अभी मैं चंडीगढ़ और सोनीपत यहाँ पे स्कूलिंग अल्टरनेटिव एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड जुड़ा हुआ था काफ़ी टाइम से. और मेरा हमेशा पिछले कई सालों से ये रहा ही है कि प्रकृति के साथ कैसे जुड़ा जाए, उसका पोषण करते हुए लाइफ को कैसे बढ़ा जाए. तो मैं तो काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहा था कब मेरा नंबर आए यहाँ जुड़ने का, तो आज आ गया. बढ़िया लगा.
तो मैं बताता हूँ जी अपने बारे में. मैं राजेश हूँ और हमारे पूर्वज वो अफ्रीका से आए थे. और यहाँ पे यूरोप उसमें उसके जंगलों में आ गए थे. तो तो अब मैं चंडीगढ़ में रहता हूँ और प्रसादा से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ काफी सालों से. तो सॉरी नहीं, मतलब मैंने जो बोला ठीक ही बोला. वो सभी के पूर्वज वहीं से आए थे. सो और जंगलों में ही रहे थे. और उस समय हमारी सेंसेस बहुत बढ़िया थी सभी. तो चलो आज इतना ही. बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को. और मे बी वी सी ईच अदर नेक्स्ट
वाइंड
टाइम
अप से पहले एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लूं मैं, आ रहा है माइंड में, या वाइंड अप करना?
अभी वो क्लोजिंग निशान तो सब शेयरिंग करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट टाइम. या
caramel juice.
just wait for Swati to come back. Okay, so Yeah, no worries, no worries. You are working full time on call, doctor.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah, go ahead, Nishant. Nishant was asking a question.
We'll do after the, I think Pooja, me and Sanjeev are left for sharing, closing the week.
Right. Yeah.
मैं करूं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस? ओके, मेरा नाम पूजा है, मैं लुधियाना में रहती हूँ और मूनस्टार के साथ करीब आई थिंक 2018 से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और तब से प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ और काफी अच्छा लग रहा है और ये वाले सर्कल से हर बार आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड टू डू मोर, सो आई होप वी कैरी ऑन मीटिंग लाइक दिस. थैंक यू.
मैं संजीव, मैं नोएडा में हूँ और मैं यहाँ, मुझे सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो मेरे चुप रहने का कारण ये नहीं है कि मैं इसलिए चुप हूँ कि उसके पीछे ही मुझे सब पता है, बल्कि मुझे लगता है कि सारे टाइम तो मैं इतना बोलता रहता हूँ, तो यहाँ बैठ के चुपचाप सुनूं.
ओके, तो आई गो. मेरा नाम मूनस्टार मनजोत कौर डोड है. मैं नाम बड़े बदलती रहती हूँ, तो दैट्स जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ माय प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइफ. I think my journey also started from Africa many years ago. Right now, I'm very much based in Chandigarh. So I love being in circles where people are sharing and listening and growing together. So it inspires me a lot. And मैं आज से raw शुरू कर रही हूँ एक हफ्ते के लिए. So send me all your energies. And if I cannot do it, I'll start it again tomorrow. But I really thought that today might be the day that I can do it. So I've been trying for a long time to do continuously. So yes, my friend, please send me your wishes, Swati.
Yes, you can do it.
Thank you. And yeah, I just love being in these circles with such community, strong sisters and brothers. And thank you for this opportunity. Not Swati and Moonstar, each and every person adds to this learning journey. We are all unique with our unique experiences. We bring so much to our sharings when we come together. We all have certain understandings that we can share. So thank you to each and every one of us.
Thank you.
And Swati, my friend,
yeah,
Arcot, what you do, doctor?
Yeah, I'm basically from Rajasthan, brought up in Chennai and settled down in Arcot, which is near Vellore. And बचपन से ही मैंने, मेरे पापा भी नेचर केयर प्रैक्टिशनर थे, तो उनके साथ रहते हुए मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा. ऑल माई नॉलेज और ऑल माई लर्निंग्स कम फ्रॉम देयर, क्योंकि मेरे पापा ने मतलब हर तरह के लोगों को हेल्प किया है. व्हेन ही वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग, पीपल वुड कम टू हिम एज अ लास्ट रिजॉर्ट. सब कुछ कोशिश करके जब कहीं कुछ नहीं होता था, तो दे वुड कम फॉर टू ट्राई आउट नेचर क्योर, and they would also heal and go back. And that's how I started getting interested and I learned. And it's been my passion since I was a child, and I'm just taking my father's legacy forward by being into the same profession. And I'm practicing here in Arcot. And yes, so it's really nice to be with you people. And when people ask questions, and I love to answer people's questions and try to see to it that there's a small seed planted in their mind, and which can with time grow into a large tree. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah,
thank you, Swati. So there are two questions. One, and Nishant, you can just hold that question for next week. और एक और question था, मैं भूल गई, but I'll see the recording and remember. दोनों question we'll take next week, है ना? And same time, same place next week. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Swati. Thank you so much. Bye, Devika.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.